it's Jasmine Ashley here, back with another video. I'm going to show you guys how I do these press-ons that I got from Shein. So I'm going to start off with just filing my nails. If you have a nail file, you can always use that, but I am going to be using my nail drill. And I'm just going to be filing the top layer off, just getting rid of the shine, any like oils or anything that might be on my nails, so that the glue can adhere to my nails a lot better when I go to put on the press-ons. And again, like I said, if you have a nail file, you can always just use that. You don't have to use a nail drill. That's just what I have. Because I do like to do acrylics from here and there. But lately I've been into press-ons, just trying to give my nails a break. Because y'all already know the acrylics sometimes can be a bit rough on your nails. So, that's all I'm doing here, you guys. Just filing my nails, filing my nails. Then I am going to speed up this next clip, just so I can hurry up. It's nothing, I'm not doing anything different, but again, just filing them. So the next couple clips are going to be sped up. And I'm going to do the same thing to my other hand. Again, nothing spectacular. And I'm not going hard. I'm not like digging into my nail. I'm just literally just getting over the top layer. And as you can see, my nail drill is down low. Then here, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and clip my nails. This is just something that I like to do. Just go ahead and get rid of the unevenness. Because a lot of times I've been wearing press-ons a lot. So when I take them off, my nails will grow out, but they won't be even. So I just go ahead and cut them all off. I prefer to do it that way. Because I'm not really pressed about growing my nails out. I just want my nail beds to be a lot healthier. So I'm just going in, clipping all of that off. And I'm going to do that to both hands. And again, if you prefer to have length, you can always skip this step. It's not nothing that you have to do in order for the nails to, you know, adhere. And when I go to put on my nails, you guys, they do last me about a good 2 weeks. As you can see, I'm speeding up this little clip here, so I'm doing the same thing to all my nails. Then I'm going to go in with a cuticle nipper. I do like doing this as well. I feel like this does help adhere your nails a lot better with the glue and everything. I get rid of the little bit of cuticle that I might have. I do this about every 2 weeks, so I really don't have a lot, but I do try to get rid of a lot of that dead skin that might be down at the bottom. And this also helps your nails look a lot better, in my opinion, when you don't have like a lot of dead skin just, you know, sitting around. So I'm going to do that to all my nails. And again, if you don't have a cuticle nipper, you can always skip this step. I just feel like it does help a lot better. And I'm going to speed up this clip as well. And you guys, let me know down in the comments if y'all want me to do more videos like this, more nail videos. When I do start getting back to acrylics, I can always show you guys how I do my acrylics as well. This right here, I'm just going in with some not alcohol, y'all, some acetone, just to get rid of all that dust, everything that I just, you know, filed and everything off of my nails. And these are the nails, you guys, from Shein. They're just like a cute French tip. Y'all, they was like $1.50, I think. I think they was like $1.50. And they're actually a really good quality. They're not super thin. They're not like flimsy. So I actually like them. So what I'm going to do now is just empty out all the nails. I'm going to start just going over the nails to see which ones I think might fit mine, just to find the right size. I like to make sure that the nail, of course, is not too big and not too small, because if they're too big, they're not going to stick to your nail right, and of course, if they're too small, it's just not going to look right. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going and looking at each number so I can match them up to see which one fits my nails the best. I think that's pretty self-explanatory too. But if not, like I said, it's numbers on the inside of the nails. If you don't already know that, and you just match the numbers up to whatever one fits your nails. So that's why I am speeding up this clip a little bit here too as well. And then when I find the matches to all my nails, then I just lay them out. This is what I like to do, so that when I'm ready to glue, all my nails are already ready for me. So again, you guys, I'm still just looking for the right nail to fit my nail bed. And then again, once I find one, I just go and find the correct number to match it. And that way I already have the one for the other side. This part is a little bit tedious when you're doing it, because you want to find the right size, because you want your nails to last and you want them to look good. You don't want them to look like press-on, so this part can be a bit tedious. All right, you guys, so we found all of the nails. I did go ahead and start gluing my nails on. This glue that I'm using, guys, I feel like it's the star of the show. This glue keeps my nails on for at least 2 weeks. When I say I wash clothes, I wash my hands a lot. I don't stop doing what I'm doing when I have on nails. And this Kiss nail glue, it's the nail gel. When I tell you guys, I'm going to try to tag it in the description box below. It will have your nails on for a guaranteed 2 weeks. If you do it correctly, in my opinion, it has your nails on for a good 2 weeks. So when I do the glue, I do put glue on my nail bed. And as you can see in the clip, I put glue on my nail bed as well as the nail tip itself. And then once I put it on, I do try to press it down until it's a nice hole. If you do have a little bit of glue that comes out the sides, I take that little piece of napkin that I use with the acetone, and I use that to just hurry and wipe off the glue before it dries. So that way you don't have to have a whole bunch of residue all around your nail or on your fingers. So as you can see here, again, I'm putting some glue on my actual nail. You don't have to do a whole lot, you guys, because then that's when you'll get all of those bubbles. You'll get a whole bunch that seeps off to the side. And I already put glue on the nail tip. As you can see, I'm putting it on there starting at the cuticle area. And then I slowly push it down. So that way I can get rid of all the bubbles. And then that's when I'll press it down hard so everything can adhere until it's dry. And again, you guys, let me know if y'all want me to do more videos like this, because I definitely can, because I just like really been into press-ons lately. I did get me another pair from Shein, so I can definitely come on and do another video of that when it's time for me to do my nails over. And this is my last nail. Again, glue on the nail, glue on the tip. Start at the cuticle area, press down. Once you get all of the bubbles and everything out, it should be a nice smooth surface of glue. And then I just press down until I feel like it's pretty dry. Now, you guys, I'm going in with this, what is it called? The grip primer. I usually use this when I'm doing like acrylics, or if I'm doing like jello or gel polish or anything like that. That's what I like to do. After I do put in my press-ons, I like to go in with some gel top coat and base coat, and it just helps me give like an extra shine. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm adding the primer to my nails so that the gel can adhere to the nails. And as you're going to see here, I'm going to start with a base coat, and then I'm going to do a top coat, and I am using the D&D products. And I just feel like this gives the nails an extra bit of a shine, just to take the nails to the next level. Again, we're not trying to have them looking like press-ons. And I'm sorry, guys, I was out of the clip just a little bit when I was doing this hand, but you'll see I'll come back into focus. And right here, I'm just putting my nails in the light so they can cure. And then I'll go back in with the top coat. And again, I'm sorry, you guys, I'm out of frame for that one, but here we go. See how you see just a little bit more of a shine than it was the first time. You can't tell me they look like press-ons at all. So here, again, like I said, I'm going in with the top coat, and that's just going to pull the whole look together. And again, like I said, you guys, this will also to help. It will give them like a nice extra layer too, where they won't feel as thin. Which I feel like they're not thin, but this just gives it an extra bit of a hold. And I'm going to let that cure. And I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are looking for. I got y'all. I love all things lifestyle, all things beauty, hair, nails, makeup. Like I said, lifestyle, home, cleaning, anything you guys looking for, please let me know, and I can get that done for you guys. Look at that shine, you guys, already. Super pretty. Don't mind me, y'all. I was getting ready to lose all of my nail, the top coat. It was getting ready to be going. And this nail lamp I got from Kiara Sky Nails. as well as the nail drill. All right, you guys, so here I'm just adding some oil to my nails, to my cuticles, and then I'm also going to add some lotion, and I want you guys to see the final product. I feel like this came out so pretty. Again, I feel like they do not look like press-ons at all after you do these 2 steps. Just let me know what you guys think. I feel like they came out super pretty, especially compared to my skin tone. I think it's a pretty nude color with the French tip, and it took me about a good 15-20 minutes to get all of this done. I think they came out super cute, you guys, so let me know what you think. I'm just going to go ahead and continue to rub in the oil around my cuticles, especially since we did all the cutting and drilling, just to make sure we add that moisture back. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, beauties.